So, and with codeless automation, it's not that it's prevalent in the market. It's good to show with codeless automation like Selenium or like Catalan Studio that you actually have your hands on it. Essentially, automation is automating what is actually there. I wanted to know if QA would ever be replaced by AI. Heck, I can't tell you that. I don't think nobody can tell you that. What I do say is, one, let's go back. There's still always going to be a human eye needed, because essentially as QA testers, we're validating that the software, the system is doing what it's supposed to do against the business requirements, right? So I don't feel that, they'll leave that to AI, because then we'll just be leaving it all up to AI. So there needs to be a human eye. It just could maybe mean the amount of teams or amount of people that they may employ, because maybe they're using more automation tools. Does that make sense? Let me know, does that make sense? Any automation tool in any industry is always going to maybe minimize that labor, right?